The Victoria Tavern building has been in existence for 100 years. In 1950, Mike Small's grandfather drank and played there as a young musician at the tavern. 3 years ago, it was shut down. At exactly 4 p.m. on Friday, the Vic Tavern reopens. These are the first 15 people that were served the first drink after 3 years. Neighbors are eager to get a feel of Tom's meal after 3 years, while others engage in games. It is hard to find a neighborhood pub in the middle of a residence. Some people express their reactions.
And we've been standing out there 3 or 4 years waiting for it to reopen. But we've missed it.
So here we are 2 years and 9 months later, and we're in, and it's open.
It's an honor to be here at this opening moment too. Normally we're both at work, so it made a special privilege to be here. Took off some time.
Mike Small felt bringing live music to the neighborhood will help the city's effort to revitalize.
I had the vision that it would be an excellent live music venue. It was in the past, and I thought I could add to that, and that's pretty much what the motivation was, just to add another venue for local musicians to get out and do what they do in the city.
It took 4 months to complete renovation. Tom Donaldson sees greater expectations.
Oh, I plan on retiring here. I mean, with all the new buildings and stuff going on, right now we started at a great time because it's just going to get better and expand. The neighborhood's expanding, and it's a great opportunity.
As much as they love the tavern, many sees it as chairs.
Place where the neighbors will come in and we'll know who they are and they'll know who we are. I've met, since we've been involved with it, tons of the neighbors from the neighborhood, and they're very impressed, very happy with it, and I could see them coming here consistently and knowing their names when they walk in the door.
The long-awaited Victoria Tavern opened with a cheerful moment, reuniting friends, bringing back old memories. Of a truth, old wine tastes better. On Fanshaw Lands, I'm Uche Onyema.